disorder. There are 5 types of autism on the broad autism spectrum. The first on the list is Asperger's syndrome. Asperger's syndrome is a common genetic type of autism that doctors can identify in people who have significant difficulties in social interaction and nonverbal communication, along with restrictive and repetitive patterns of behaviors and interests. Another type of autism is Rhett syndrome. Rhett syndrome is very rare and is caused by genetic mutation, and its effects include progressive loss of motor skills and speech. One interesting fact about this syndrome is that it primarily affects females. Our third type of autism is known as childhood disintegrative disorder, aka Heller's syndrome. Yes, it is incredibly rare and affects few children, but for those that it does affect, Heller's syndrome tends to show up later in childhood and can cause quick regression in areas such as language and social function. Another form of autism is Kanner syndrome, also called classic autism. It is discovered in babies and it entails a desire for sameness and routine. Many characteristics of those with Kanner syndrome include muteness, speech abnormality, high visuospatial skills, and major learning difficulties in certain areas. The last type of autism known today is pervasive developmental disorder, not otherwise specified, NOS. This type of autism is relatively recent in its discovery and it is currently one of the fastest growing disorders in the United States.